Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this I'm going to do the benchmark test in the Xiaomi 11i device on the day 1 of usage. Yes, when this is my hypercharge phone which I did order from the Flipkart website, and this is a retail unit. This is not the review unit or anything, this complete retail unit only which I did order personally from the Flipkart website. And let's see friends what will be the benchmark test on the day 1 of this Xiaomi 11i with the Dimensity 920 chipset in this device. And this is my first time using this kind of Dimensity 920 chipset as well. So in case if you're planning to buy this device, so make sure to follow my channel regularly for more updates on this device. So is it worth to buy or not? And right now I did not install any kind of applications when this is moment, nothing at all. And there's only benchmark applications which I did install. And there is no mobile data, there is no Wi-Fi connection enabled right now. And it is an benchmark application which I'm going to do the demonstration right now. And this is my first time doing the test on this device on the day 1. And I'm not using any performance mode. In case if you try to go to the battery, so there is a performance mode option, but without any kind of performance mode, let's see what is the overall benchmarks we can actually get in this device. Let me get start, and let's check out the temperatures right now. In the beginning, it's only 29 and 30 degrees. Front and back, as you can clearly see, 30 degrees is the highest so far. Not bad. Let's see friends how much high scores we can actually expect in the Xiaomi 11i device with the Dimensity 920 chipset in this device. So these are the details which I'm really interested to see. So how much will be the temperatures increasing and how much battery will decrease. And I started this test only with the 100%. Starting with the 100%, I started completely, and I'll try to check even the battery draining statistics as well on this device after using for 1 or 2 days. And this exact color friends which I did order, so which looks really good, right? So which is pretty good. So let's see how much benchmarks we can actually expect, and I'm gonna be back after some time just to check the temperatures, what's happening. So right now it's 31 degrees increased. So before it is 30, right now 31. I'm gonna be back after some time. So right now as I can see friends, is the benchmark percentage is about 74%, and battery till now it was able to maintain 100% exactly, and temperatures were about, I think about only 34 degrees Celsius. Not bad, that's pretty good. So only 4 degrees increased friends, so it was below 35 degrees I guess. So I'm gonna be back after some time just to check the temperatures, what's happening in this Xiaomi 11i device after some time. So right now we are getting close to end of the test results, and it's about 33 degrees Celsius, and overall the temperatures I did not see any kind of huge increase at this moment. 33.4 degrees Celsius, not bad. So let's see friends what will happen with the overall benchmark scores, and I'm gonna be back after some time. So finally we got the benchmark scores, which scored about 4,39,000 regarding the benchmarks, as you can see friends. So when compared with other smartphones in this kind of price range, it's quite very low. I mean for about 25,000 rupees, definitely it's really very low, because we do see other smartphones with the Snapdragon 778G processors and Snapdragon 870 chipset as well. So there are a lot of other processors which are available, but when comparing with those, this is definitely really very low score. 4,39,000, but definitely friends don't below that much on the benchmarks. So that's another thing you should definitely understand, but real life testing is completely different. But CPU scores 125 and the GPU 124, and overall is 439, and temperature increased by 3.2 degrees Celsius, and battery dropped by 2%. That's it during this process of testing. And that's it friends, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates, and meanwhile signing off. Until then, bye. And these are the final temperatures readings, not bad. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Bye.